Hey, what's up, everybody? Welcome back to Talk Help Guy. So today I'm going to show you how to update your system from TPM to TPM 2.0. And here's how you can do it. So on your Windows, go to Settings. From here, search Recovery on the search bar. Then click on Recovery Options, and then click on this icon right here, Advanced Startup. Click on Reset. But I will not be able to show you, so I'm going to show you instead the process on how to do it. I've listed it down. If you want to copy this, then then please feel free to do so. But here's what the next steps are. So after clicking Advanced Restart, you're going to want to go to choose option. That's the main interface that you're going to be transferred to. And then click on advanced option. In advanced option, you want to click on UEFI firmware settings. This will bring you now to your motherboard. From the motherboard, you want to go to settings and then select security. Now, from there, you want to click on trusted computing and then you want to enable security device support. And then just save and exit, and that's it. You have successfully updated your system to TPM 2.0. Hopefully, we were able to help you out on this. If we did, please, of course, do not forget to hit the like and the subscribe button and follow us for more videos only here on Talk Help Guy.